Dyspraxia is often called the hidden challenge, but for our families and children, it is anything but hidden, anything but invisible. It touches every layer of development, from sensory motor foundations to emotional regulation, social participation, and executive functioning. If you are a professional seeking deeper clinical understanding, stronger clinical reasoning, and practical tools that you can use immediately, the Certificate in Dyspraxia Workshop Series in 2026 was designed for you. This 12-month-long program, in the comfort of your own home through the virtual experience, is an immersion in neuroscience, theory, assessment, intervention in a clear, structured way. Each month, you will explore a new dimension of the praxis continuum: sensory systems, ideation, visualization, modulation, reflexes, breath control, laterality, anxiety, and collaborative therapy approaches, all building towards a comprehensive whole child understanding. When one therapist saw the advertisement, she said, "Maude, this is like a PEDS course on steroids next year." And I think it is. With monthly recorded webinars released to each participant, monthly live cohort meetings where we do projects together, discuss cases together, you will learn in a community context, reflecting, collaborating, and integrating concepts into real practice. This is not passive training. It's a supportive, professional journey. Whether you're an occupational therapist, a speech language pathologist, a physical therapist, educator, psychologist, allied health professional, you will gain evidence-informed strategies you can apply with the children you serve, practically and also through a lens of understanding the child's experience. By the end of the year, you will not only earn a professional certification, you will have a renewed sense of clarity, confidence, and connection in your work with dyspraxia. Join us for a year of learning, insight, and transformation. Your journey towards a deeper expertise is going to start right here. I sincerely hope you will join me as we bring together 25 years of clinical practice and over 40 plus years of clinical understanding. I want you to benefit from that. I hope to see you there. Take care.